In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the purchase invoices, and this is the continuation to the earlier part where we have already learned how to enter the purchase invoices, but this time we will see how we can do it the quick way. So let's get started. Now our next transaction is of 9 January 2024 and it says purchase following items from Mr. Majid, and this Mr. Majid is a new vendor. So let me show you a quick method of how you can immediately enter the vendor directly from the purchase invoice. So here we are in the bills, click on enter bill, and let's say the Majid is vendor. So if you want to quickly add it, you will just press tab and it will show you that it's not in the list. You can click on quick add, but if you want even quicker, just enter it 2 times and it will be entered. But obviously if you need to settle some more details or feed some more details in the records, you can close it and go to the vendor manually. And from here you will just open the vendor and mention all the details. But for quickly adding it, this is the procedure. Now, Majid, entries of 9th of January 2024, 1002, let's say is the reference, and bill due is after like 15 days by default. Yes, it was set to 10 days. I set it now to 15 days. And now let's quickly enter the items. So first one, we have Corolla windscreen. 50 is the quantity, rate is 12,000. This makes the total to 600,000. That's perfect. Let's go to second line. Civic headlights, 30 and 35,000, 30 and 35,000. And the last one we have Suzuki filters. So Suzuki filters, 100 is the rate and rate is 250. So 100, 250, and this makes the total to 25,000. So just confirm all the amounts before saving. First one is 600,000, second one is 1050,000. And third one is 25,000. All okay. That's perfect. Let's click on save and close this time. So if you have changed some terms, it will ask you for the confirmation. Let's click yes, and we are good to go.